Yes guys, it's your boy Bizzy with another Dubplate Wars update. Yeah, we had some sick tunes last night, and Mr. Anchovy stole the day. We had Detox Saxon Style, that was a banger. We had DJ Fresher, MJ Element, which I really liked. I think they were slept on that one a bit last night. But then, you know, maybe not so many Michael Jackson fans in the chat box at that point. We had Phantom Dean come with a killer track, Solox, and also Stapler, Make Me. That was some of my favourites, name a few. And again, congratulations to Mr. Anchovy, what a steal. And we later found out that he actually played the saxophone in his own track. I mean, that's next level, people. Don't forget the man like Screw with his track Resistance, yeah, which just need a little bit of extra sub on it to make it something quite differently epic. Guys, comment down below and let me know how important it is to have a positive attitude along with good music to get on in the music business. I received some derogatory comments, and there was a certain individual last night was saying a few low blow things in the chat box regarding feedback on tunes. Now, I just want to say about this community is about constructive criticism. It's not about putting people down. It's not an ego competition where, you know, you've got a couple of good tunes under your belt and you think you're the next best thing since sliced bread. Listen, right, at the end of the day, yeah, you're never too tall to fall, as the great James Brown used to say. James Brown frequently spoke about the dangers of arrogance, the necessity of hard work, and maintaining humility regardless of success. So don't get it twisted. In the music business, it's not just about having good tunes. It's about having a good attitude and a good mindset. You go around putting people's tracks down, yeah, in a derogatory way, instead of giving constructive criticism, yeah, that's not how communities are built. That's how communities are killed. And I will not allow anyone to come into our community and the Aim and Therapy crew and put other people's music down. If you've got something to say about someone's music, give constructive criticism. Because what I won't tolerate is people coming there bringing negative energy into it and then having the audacity to message me next day, sending me derogatory comments about another contestant, like me and them is some sort of conspiracy crew. It's just not acceptable. I do this for the fun, the love of it, and I do it for de-stress. And what I don't want is stress coming back to me outside of that. So I have zero tolerance for that. So just putting the final warning out there, anyone sending me any stupid derogatory comments about anyone else's tracks in the competition, it's just going to be an instant ban. Mods, be on the lookout, yeah, because we're going to make this thing grow. There's people that have come to me in the past and they have got a little bit too ahead of themselves, let's say, egotistical, and got themselves banned from the show. And that is how I have to deal with it, because I have to protect the community at the end of the day through experience in the past. But I've just got to say, I have to do what I have to do to keep this community safe and a nice place. It takes a lot of courage to submit your tracks. And those of you who produce, you know how much effort it takes to build tunes. And you blatantly hear skill because you do it yourself. So you know better than to go there and say, oh, your tune's shit. No, no, no. I've been an engineer for 30 years, and one thing I have to appreciate and respect, yeah, is that if other people like a tune and you don't, then as far as I'm concerned, they know something you don't, and you could learn something from them. Remember, new genres are born from people thinking outside the box and making something different. You might not get it straight away, but who am I to turn around and say your music's shit? I could comment and say, it needs a bit of work, the bass line needs turning up, and that's me just being honest, but respectfully honest. What I won't tolerate is people going, oh, that tune's shit, it's the worst tune of the night. Bro, come on now. Like, how's that gonna help anyone making music? How would you like it if someone done that to your music? So going forward, zero tolerance, instant ban for any kind of disrespect like that. Let's have a bit of banter, but let's keep it respectful. One love, peace.